Good day, ROFFS analyst James here, and it is currently Tuesday, July 29th. We hope everyone had a good weekend, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the ocean conditions from Cape Hatteras down into the Florida Keys and in the Bahamas using sea surface temperature and ocean color imagery that you likely would have encountered if you went offshore this past weekend. Overall, we have recently observed another larger eddy formation developing offshore of Cape Fear, shown here, as smaller Gulf Stream eddy formations interact with the Charleston Ridge, approximately right here. This has pushed the western edges of the Gulf Stream well offshore, south of Cape Fear and southwest of Cape Lookout, and will continue to affect the offshore conditions moving northeast towards the Big Rock area over the next few days. However, this counterclockwise rotation currently has pushed a filament of warmer Gulf Stream water inshore over Big Rock, as another relatively large clockwise rotating eddy formation continues to move northeast along the east side of the Gulf Stream. This has pushed some of the warmer, bluer water just inshore of the ledges over 50 to 100 fathoms in the Big Rock area over the weekend, and will continue to move northeast as this northeast eddy continues to move northwards as well off of Cape Hatteras. That being said, we continue to observe several smaller eddy formations moving northeast off of the Jacksonville to Savannah area, generally in this area, as they approach the Charleston Ridge, which may set up another large gyre over the next week or so as they move to the northeast. Taking a look further south off of Florida Keys, we have observed an eastward meandering of the larger Gulf Stream Florida Straits gyre off of Key West, shown here. Over the next few days or week or so, as this eddy moves eastward, it may begin to shed some filaments of warmer water off of Key Largo. Smaller counterclockwise rotating eddies moving northeast into the Florida Straits, into the Gulf Stream off of Key Largo and Miami over the next few days, as it begins to recenter further west near the Loop Current and the Marquesas. Additionally, we also observed relatively unstable water mass boundaries along the eastern side of the western side of the Bahamas, as several filaments of cooler blended water move north off of Bimini, shown here. And you can see some of these boundaries moving northwest off of the corner near Walker's Key as well. However, high levels of African dust continue to affect our ability to calibrate our SST imagery, but fortunately we also rely on ocean color imagery to keep track of these oceanographic features. So switching over to our ocean color imagery, you can see some of this blended blue-green water moving north off of Bimini, as well as the corner near Walker's Key. Again, here is that larger counterclockwise rotating eddy off of the Keys, and the larger eddy moving northeast off of Cape Fear, with the bluer water inshore near the Big Rock area. Since we're looking at the Bahamas now, you can see some of the warmer, darker blue Bahamas water continues to push northwest along the northern coast of Abaco, while slightly cooler blended water moves southeastwards along the coastline, resulting in a smaller counterclockwise rotating eddy just north of Abaco. Remember, these ocean conditions are always changing, so be sure to head to ROFFS.com or call our office at 321-723-5759 to order updated analyses for each of these areas. Have a good week.